Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Walmart. Also, remember, we have a tool giveaway going on right now, so make sure you watch the entire video, and let's dive in. All right, guys, to get us started, we're going to check out this Hart wet dry vac here. Hart's a great brand. This is the 8-gallon. Get to save 10 bucks on that. It's pretty good. Then we also have this Ratchet here on sale for 98 bucks. That's a pretty good deal. Again, in the Hart brand. So if you're into the Hart brand, there's some great deals for you here. Then we also see the combo kit. I couldn't find a picture of it because they were picked over, but a couple of the combo kits were available right here. And then this is also a battery that's on sale as well. It's also been picked over, but we did find a few other great deals going on here in a minute. But here is another set of the combo option for Hart. So if your Walmart has some of these combos still available, they are on sale. Then we did find a few items here that are still available in clearance. We have the Hart brushless chainsaw here for $166. Pretty good price for that right there. Then we also have some Hyper Tough options. We have this little trimmer for some bushes. Great option there. Then we even have this 20-volt cordless string trimmer for 48 bucks. Then we have the brushless Hart blower on clearance, so that's another great deal on that one. We also have the trimmer as well right here for Hart, the 17-inch trimmer, so if you need that. Then we have another set as well right here for Hyper Tough. Then we have a couple other options. You see right here, 79 bucks. We have the Hart tools. So if you need some of these trimmers, you can definitely grab those and save a little bit of money right here as well. Then we also have this option right here for the string trimmer as well at $122. So pretty good deal. Then $158 as well. Another set of the string trimmers as well. So a lot of deals on these trimmers and even the combo kits. And you can see just a bunch of these options available. This one right here is the tiller for 70 bucks. This is the attachment, so you can check that one out. But a lot of great deals. Let me know in the comments if you guys have grabbed any of these, if they've worked for y'all. Did want to show you guys just some of their grills. Some of these are on sale. Some of these I think are just a good price. The Blackstones are a solid price right there. Here is a Pit Boss, $294. Pretty good price on that one. Also for $397 as well. Solid prices on those. I bought a Pit Boss last year and I've loved it. Then we have a few rollback options right here. We have the portable charcoal grill. Pretty good deal right there. So if you need a portable option, you can also grab this other one, the 17.5 inch. Save you a little bit of money as well. Thanksgiving is a little bit away, but you can grab one of these and get some good deals and save some money as well. Also have another portable charcoal rotisserie. So that's a cool option right here for Expert Grill. Get one of these, save a little bit of money, and get some deals, but also be able to have some fun outside. And then also another portable heavy-duty charcoal grill. Then we have the pizza oven. So if you need a pizza oven by Cuisinart Outdoors, get a little price drop on that. I think it's a good deal. Then they also had one of their Blackstones on sale. One of my friends just bought one of these small ones, and he has absolutely loved it. And the sponsor for today's video is Hupart Laser Level. You can check this out down in the description if you're interested. This is a very heavy-duty laser level, super rigid and also super strong. I love that it has all of these options on it as well. You can shoot multiple different angles, whatever you might be doing that needs a laser level, whether it's a DIY project or taking it to work with you. It comes with a battery and the self-adjusting laser, which is super nice. But this is actually part of our giveaway, so if you are interested in this, you can comment down below in the comment section. Hupart giveaway. You have a chance to win this. You do need to be subscribed to the channel in order to win. But if you're interested in checking one of these out yourself, I'll have a link for this in the description. You can go down there and check it out as well. While I was there, I also saw some of these fun little inflatables for kids. You can see some of these. You can see some prices have been dropped. Some of these are like 75 bucks off. We have a couple of these for our kids, and they absolutely love them. This one is the Shack. I think that one would be a lot of fun as well. It's a pretty cool option. And here's another great thing that I've talked about before is this Battery Daddy. It's down to $9. We use this all the time, and I think it's a great deal. And they also had a couple other fun items that you could save some money on as well. Also saw these Hyper Tough wire strippers on sale, pretty cool. And then even this quiver. Also found this ice scraper on clearance as well. So if you live where there's a lot of ice, you can grab one of these, save a little bit of money. Also had a few dollars off of some of these coolers. I know with it getting warmer, heading to the beach or the lake, great thing to grab some of these, save a little bit of money. Then they had a couple other deals on just some of their clearance items. You can see some of these cook options. Even have the filter there, the tailgate pad, which I think is really cool. A couple options there. They still have a Hart battery, so you can check to see if you need one of those. Then a couple other air purifiers and fans, and then a couple cooking options. So if you need some of these, they also had a couple Keurigs on sale. Always great to grab one of those and get some coffee, especially in the afternoons. They had the Fletchings on sale, pretty good option on that. Had a boat motor, you need a cover for your boat motor. Great thing to go ahead and save a little bit of money on. Here's another shot at a quiver. Again, if you're going to be using that while you're outside and getting everything ready for the fall. Had a deal on this handsaw. If you need a little handsaw for different things. Also, this inflator, we have one very similar, and I use it all the time with our kids. Then I had a few other Hart deals going on right here with this drill. They also had the orbital sander on sale for 56 bucks. Solid option there. So you can see that one. And then also another shot of it right here. So if you need to get a better shot of that one. And then also one of their pools are on sale. You can see you can save a pretty good amount of money on those pools. We have one at our house and our kids absolutely love it and get in it just about every day. Here's a couple options as well. For another clearance section, you can see some of these items. KitchenAid mixer, even some other cook options. This is a little workout set. You see that on sale and on clearance right there for $51. So pretty good deal on that. Then we have a couple other options. Another Hart battery, so you can grab one of those. This is the EverStart little battery jumper. I recommend you always keep one of these in your vehicle. And I did run back and see the price was 75 bucks, but a good price on that. Then they have a little deal on a bicycle attachment. You can grab one of those, and then a light for doing some painting. I thought that's a cool idea. Great thing to check out and grab, save a little bit of money, and also a little bicycle light. Then they had a couple of things for your vehicle. Check some of these out on clearance. A couple other things right here. We have the filters if you need one of those. Also a couple other racks for your vehicles. If you're going to be riding your bikes, you can grab some of these. And then also another set of Keurigs. These are a little bit cheaper as well. So just the K Express, 48 bucks. Might have to grab one of those, keep at the house. Pretty good deal. Might even be something you could keep at your shop as well. This is something that I have, a tire inflator. I do recommend you guys keeping one of these. We've been able to use this to pump up tires on our vehicles or even just things around the house, and it has worked extremely well. Here's another shot at the tailgate pad. Need one of those. And then a couple other things. We've seen these doorknobs here for a little while. They also had the SuperTech Def on sale as well for $8.88. Then they had a lot of deals on their hunting and outdoor items. You can see a lot of these have been picked over, but there are clearance items all throughout here, from some of the calls to also some of the decoys as well. You can grab all different ones, whether it is your slate. They also had just some of the push buttons and all different kinds as well. So if you want to grab some of these to get ready for next year's hunt, you can definitely do that. Save a little bit of money here as well. And then, like I mentioned, we have a lot of the decoys on sale too. So always great to grab some of these and use them. I really like having both the hen and the gobbler or the Jake decoy. Really helps out, has worked well for me. Then we have just some random other items right here for a crossbow. You can check that out. We also have the boat covers. So if you need some boat covers, you can go there and get some boats covers. They have the different ones, the type A, B, and C. So whichever one you might need of those. Then we have a couple camping tool sets. So if you're going to be getting out there and want to have some fun stuff for yourself or even for the kiddos, I think this is a great option for you here. Got a lot of fun stuff you can mess around with there and get out there. They also have the shower as well. Save a little bit of money on that. Then we have some fire starters and some other camping stuff you'll see here. A lot of just outdoor items, just some fun outdoor items on sale. We know a lot of people are getting outdoors right now with the weather being a little bit warmer. So you can go in there, grab you some deals, have some fun. Here's a deal on this machete as well. You can grab one of those. Then we also have this outdoor 3-pack dry sack, $4.88. Then we also have a couple backpacks on sale. So if you want to grab some backpacks, whether this is for outdoors or for other things as well, you can definitely do that. Save you a little bit of money here. But got some backpacks that are on sale. So these could, I think, be both for school and then also for just camping and having fun. They also had some water bottles on a rollback here for $4. Then they had this little funny multi-spice kit. If you're going to be going camping and you want some spice, you can grab some of these. Then also different things for the cast irons. You got all different kinds. We got the little grates right here. Then we also have the Dutch oven set for $25. Then we also have just the 4-piece cast iron set. So if you want to grab one of those while you're cooking on the fire or cooking at your house, whichever one, we use cast iron on most everything that we do. Then they have a little bit larger one as well. So a few different options here for the cast irons, which I think are great. Then we also have some adventure meals, got some beef stew and a couple other adventure meals as well. So you can grab some of these, have some meals while you're outside. We have some fire starters, save a few dollars on some of these. Always good to have some fire starters if you're going to be camping or just different things. Then we have the disposable grill, $10. So you're able to grill and not have to worry too much about it. Then a fun little thing I found in some of the clearance spots, they had some lunch crocs. I've never used one of these. My friends have used them and they've really liked them. Also have the traveling slow cooker. So if you're going to be traveling and want to have something, or if you want to have something at work, whatever that might be, you can grab some of these, save a little bit of money, and have some fun. They also have some other options here for your pets. Got some on clearance. A couple other clearance right here for pets from dog kennels. And then it's always great when it's getting warmer to go ahead and grab some water guns. Let your kids have some fun, build some memories. It's always a great thing. But you can see a few of the other clearance items that they have at this Walmart. And again, just for clarity, I did go to a couple Walmarts for some of these, so just checking some of the prices at all of them. Here's another fun little tool from Hypertough, 12-in-1 pliers, also the Cuisinart, and some more items right here. You can see some of these deals and different things just kind of going on at Walmart's. But overall, there are some great deals going on right now at our local Walmart. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, let me know if you've used any of these Hart or Hypertough outdoor items and how they have worked for you. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you comment down below with the Hupar giveaway so you have a chance to win that. And I will see you in the next video.